We are a 176-bed magnet-designated facility in Charlottesville, Virginia. You know, what I'm really amazed about is that Martha Jefferson is considered a small hospital, but they have all of the departments and divisions and projects as the largest hospital. We have labor and delivery, med-surg. We have both a freestanding and a main emergency department. Our surgical suite has just expanded. Our critical care department has just expanded. We have an oncology department and an infusion center. There's so many opportunities, so many places to work. We've developed tools for the manager that says, if your employee desires to be an educator, here's some resources for them, here's some classes you can offer, here's some opportunities for engagement and experience for them. And of course we have nursing scholarships to help people advance. And that helps the employee to grow within their career, and it helps Martha Jefferson to gain some reputation of being committed to the ongoing education and development of the staff.